I'm Luke Bird of Acorn Property Group. I'm Group Procurement and Sustainability Manager. Today we're here in Manor Court, Greet. The heat pumps that we've chosen across our sites here at Greet and many others in the South Wales and South West are chosen for their efficiency of up to 400%. We chose to work with Worcester Bosch as they offer a complete package. 1, their brand, 2, their service, 3, their after sales, and 4, their expertise.
We're keen to lead the way on low carbon heating, so here at Manor Court we're installing air source heat pumps supplied by Worcester Bosch instead of the traditional gas boilers. The reaction we've received so far has been very positive. I think customers understand the need to reduce their carbon footprint, which the air source heat pumps achieve, and they also get the added bonus of reduced gas costs. It's our mission to achieve EPCA and lower carbon homes for our customers. As part of the specification, we've installed air source heat pumps, solar PV panels, and provided battery storage. This will provide future-proofed homes for our customers.
So at MG Plumbing, we've been fitting heat pumps for the last 5 years, predominantly more in the last 2 years due to obviously the regulation changes and the builders requesting that they have the heat pumps fitted. The Compress 2000 was a great product to fit, very easy to install, and any questions we did have with technical advice were great.
So the Compress 2000 heat pump is the perfect solution for a new build home like this. It's compact, it's quiet, which makes it especially good for a new build home. This particular heat pump is a quiet unit. It can be as low as 53 decibels, which is no louder than a fridge. You're not going to notice it, and your neighbours surely won't. So the 2000 has a small footprint. It can be sited wherever it's convenient, really, to the outside of the building, underneath a window. Wherever it's sited, it will be unobtrusive.